Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine in lockdown. Well, now you all comes in 9th standard, so congratulations for that. And we begins our maths first chapter, that is real numbers. You know students, numbers as it's a base of maths. Without numbers, maths is not possible. So numbers are countless, that is infinite many. There are so many numbers, we cannot count the numbers. And we also know types of numbers that you already learned in previous standard. The first is natural numbers, starting from 1 up to infinite. The smallest natural number is 1. And the biggest natural number we can't say because numbers are infinite many. Another one is whole numbers. Whole numbers starting from 0 to infinite. The smallest whole number is 0. The largest we can't say. The same reason is it up to infinite. Third one is integer, that you already learned in 7th and 8th both standards. Integer contains all positive, all negative, including 0. Now the next number is rational numbers. The numbers which are in the form of P upon Q. Example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 9 by 7. So all the numbers which we can write in a form of P by Q, that is upper part is numerator and lower part is called denominator. These are called rational numbers. Rational number means the numbers of the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. Integers means the numbers from this group, any number, either negative, positive or 0. And Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0 means denominator must be non-zero. I repeat, denominator must be non-zero because we cannot divide any number with 0. So the numbers of the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. These are the two conditions of rational number. Means first condition is numerator and denominator both are integers, and second condition is denominator is non-zero number. Means કે denominator માં 0 આવવું જોઈએ નહીં. Are called rational numbers. Examples are given like 2 upon 7 minus 3 upon 8. Simple 2 is also rational number because 2 means કે 2 upon 1. Right na? 2 upon 1. We can write 2 as 2 upon 1, but practically we are not writing 1 in denominator. So this is also form of P upon Q. 0, etc. all are rational numbers. In simple language we can say all natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integers, all are rational numbers. Is it clear? Now the second is irrational number. So what is irrational numbers? So irrational numbers, the number which is not rational. It means that we cannot express in the form of P upon Q, is called irrational number. Example, root of 2. We know that root of 2 is irrational number because we cannot find the perfect answer of root of 2. Similarly, minus root of 3, 1 plus root of 6, etc. all are irrational numbers. Right? Now one note is there. The numbers which are non-terminating, non-recurring is called irrational numbers. I repeat, the numbers which are non-terminating, non-recurring is called irrational numbers. Now I know that you are confused in non-terminating, non-recurring. So let's understand this word properly. So now we deal with the 4 words that we used many times in our study. First is terminating. Terminating means જેનો એન્ડ હોય, જેમ કે Suppose we can write 1 upon 2. If you can write 1 upon 2, answer is 0.5. Right? 1 upon 2 is 0.5 na? So it is terminated. Means કે એનો end છે. It is terminated. It has some end. That's why it is called terminating. Now non-terminating means the number which has no end, like 1 upon 3. So answer is 0.3333. It is endless. It is endless, and that's why it is called non-terminating. Another word is recurring. Recurring term means recurring. You know that recurring account. આપણે બેંકમાં ઘણી વખત recurring account ખોલાવીએ છીએ. Recurring means repeated. The numbers which is repeated. See the previous one, 1 upon 3, 0.3333. So this number is repeated na, and that's why it is called a recurring. And a number which is non-recurring. Non-recurring means like 0.1347593 dash dash dash. So this is non-recurring number. If you can observe, this number is also non-terminating because it has no end. This number is also non-terminating because it has no end. So this number is called non-terminating recurring, and this number is called non-terminating non-recurring. And that's why irrational number means the numbers which are non-terminating non-recurring is called irrational numbers. Is that clear? The four terms is very important to us to understand irrational number. First is terminating, second is non-terminating, third is recurring, and the fourth is non-recurring. And a number which is non-terminating non-recurring, then that is called irrational numbers. Clear, guys? Now we start our textbook exercise 1.1. Remember, students, we just start our exercise also. So be serious and do your study regularly. Now the first one is 0 a rational number? You understand what is the mean by this question? Is 0 a rational number? Yes, it's a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Can you write it in the form of P upon Q, where the conditions are given? P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So definitely we can write it in the form of P upon Q. See example, if you can write 0 upon 1, the answer is again 0. If you can write 0 upon 5, answer is 0. If you write 0 upon 9, answer is 0. So these all are the examples of 0 is a rational number. Clear? Now the second one is a simple one. Now the second one is, now see, before dealing with the second question, first thing you must keep in your mind that this type of questions has not a fixed answer. Why it is not a fixed answer? See the question. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Now how many numbers between 3 and 4? If you can say 1, 2, 3, no, that is not the thing. There are infinite many numbers between 3 and 4. If someone can say 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and so on, then again 3.10, 3.11, then again 3.111, 3.112 like this. So in any, between any two rational number, there are infinite many rational numbers. But from that we have to find only 6 rational number. So there are many methods. We just go with the simple method. Here I just make a note for you that as we know that there are infinite many rational numbers between any two numbers, so no definite answer of this question. There is more than one answer of such a type of question. We just go with our method. The first one is, here we want 6 numbers. So let's consider n is equal to 6. What is n plus 1? That is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. I repeat, here we want to find out 6 rational numbers. So consider n is equal to 6. Now the next number is, that is n plus 1. Always you can take n plus 1. So n plus 1 means ke 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Why we are making 7? So see the next topic. Now we put equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4. It is called equivalent fraction because answers are same. So if you can make 7 denominator equal in both the cases, you will get equivalent fraction. See, now we put equivalent fraction, that is divide both numbers by 7. But if you simply divide the number by 7, then what happens? The original value change. We want original value as it is. So we just multiply the given number with 7 and also divide the given number by 7. See, in this way. 3 we can write in this way, 3 upon 7 into 7. So if you cancel 7, 7, you will get again 3. So this is called equivalent. What is 7 3s are? 21 upon 7. Similarly, we can go for 4. 4 upon 7 into 7. 7 4s are 28 upon 7. So 3 and 21 upon 7 are same. See, if you can cut it, 7 3s are and 7 4s are, right? And that's why we just write in a different form. તમને કહે ને ઘણી વખત તમારા નામની જગ્યાએ ઘરમાં અલગ નામ હોય ને તમારું. In the same way, 3 we can write as 21 by 7 and 4 we can write as 28 upon 7. Now if you can observe, see here 7 7 are equal, denominators are equal. So simply whatever is between these two numbers are, what is 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can easily find out 6 numbers between these two. Right now? Understand, students? I repeat, here n is equal to 6. So n plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So multiply the given number and divide the given number with 7. Same thing, 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. You cannot write 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. Because 21 by 7 means ke 3 and 28 upon 7 means ke 4. So we have to write the numbers which are between these two. So between these two means ke 21, after that 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. Easy? Now move to question number 6, the similar question. Now what is the difference between the second and the third one? In second question, only numbers are given. Now here rational numbers are given. Here if you can see, find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Now you are little confused that, sir, here denominator are already same. So what to do? Go with the same method. How many number we require? 5. So here n is equal to 5. So take n plus 1. N plus 1 means ke 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. So multiply numerator and denominator of the given number with 6. So 3 upon 5 becomes 3 into 6 as well as 5 into 6. 3 6 are 18 and 5 6 are 30. Similarly for 4 upon 5 we go with 4 into 6, 5 into 6, that is 6 4s are 24 and 5 6 are 30. Denominator is equal, that is these are equivalent fractions. So we just make equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? 3 upon 5, that is 18 upon 3. If you can cut, you will again get 3 upon 5. Okay. So between these two are 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, we can easily get 5 rational number between these two numbers. Right? Now the question number 4 is true false. That you have to do it in your own way. You must write questions and answer. Right? And here for self-study, means today's homework, I will give you 5 sums of similar type. So here we can complete exercise 1.1 and our introduction. Now you just wait for the next lecture. This 5 questions, that is homework question, you have to complete today only. Okay, and you must watch this video 2 times. Good luck, students.